Here's the recommendation framework. There are 3 viewer profiles and 3 different answers. If you're setting this up for the first time, you just want one personal assistant on Telegram or Discord, you don't want to spend your weekend tuning config files, and the appeal is an agent that just gets better at my work over months, pick Hermes. The curator pays off the longer you use it, and the defaults are tight. This is the right answer for many people watching. If you want a clickable dashboard, a massive marketplace of pre-built skills, or fine-grained control over which providers and config you use, pick OpenClaw. The catalog and the dashboard are the strongest in the category. Just keep your version up to date and only install skills from publishers you trust. If you mostly do the same kinds of tasks every day and you want repeated work to get cheaper over time, like daily briefings, the same research, the same email triage, use Hermes. The curator caches your repeated work automatically. OpenClaw can do similar through Skill Workshop, but every new skill needs your approval. It's safer, but slower to actually realize the savings. So that's the honest answer. Hermes if you just want it to work and get better as you use it. OpenClaw if you want catalog, providers, and a friendlier UI. Now, a word on those deals. If you want one-click server setup for either agent, the OpenClaw and Hermes links in the description each give you an extra 10% discount for your VPS. Whichever agent you picked, my full step-by-step setup tutorial is linked in the description below.